Hey guys, so I'm here at Parq at Boulder Apartments. Now I do believe I've done one of the sister properties a long time ago, so I'm gonna leave it down below just in case, but it's in a whole different area, like it's in North Las Vegas, like that way. This is Henderson side, but yeah, it's a really nice property. It looks very clean. Let's go check them out. I know this has been highly requested. Brittany, I have got to it. I'm so sorry that it's taken this long, but thanks Brittany for being so patient. But yeah, it's a really nice apartment. I've done an apartment that is actually across the street from it. I think it's called the Valora or something. I'll put it right here. But yeah, let's go check them out. Nice. this type of fridge come with every apartment?
It does.
Perfect. Okay guys, so that was Parq on Boulder. Now these are really nice, you guys, like super nice. The inside of the actual apartment is so freaking nice. I love the finishes. Also, in every apartment, no matter if you're a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom or a 1-bedroom, they're gonna have the double door fridge. So that's really cool, because I know some apartments, if it is a 1-bedroom, they only have like the small fridge. If it's a 2-bedroom, they have the 2-door fridge. But in this apartment, it is 2-door fridge with any layout. So that's pretty cool. Also, they are 3 levels, no elevators, just stairs. But the corridor is pretty wide. So yeah, it's you're not gonna be like tight like pivot, you know. But okay, so the floor plan that we saw was A1 and B1. The A1 is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 700 square feet. That is starting at $13.95. The B1 is 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It is approximately 1071 square feet. That is starting at $18.08. So the price sheet is, the fees are, application fee is $65, administration fee is $300, cleaning fee is $150, security deposit on approved credit is $250, pet fees, non-refundable pet fee of $300, refundable pet fee of $250, pet rent is $35. Alright guys, so with the monthly utilities, they're going to change it to Conservice. I guess they used to do a set like for water, sewer and trash, but now they're going to change it to Conservice, which is, I'm guessing, based on usage. But they have a lifestyle fee of $125, so that will be on top of your base rent. That is going to cover Cox Wi-Fi, valet, trash and amenities. So you do have to make 2.5 times the rent. You are responsible in connecting the NV Energy account. They don't do any gas, it's all electric. So again, that's going to be completely separate from the apartments. And then you are responsible in getting insurance to cover the apartment, and then also your stuff as well, so your personal belongings. Parking is free, covered or no covered. It is completely free. I think they do have some covered, but I'll go around and show you the apartment, like the way it looks outside the apartment. But yeah, you guys, that was it. I forgot my tour guide's name, but she allowed me to come and tour the place for you guys, for YouTube, and she was so friendly, you guys. She really was. She showed me 2 layouts, the pool, the amenities, and honestly, she was just so down to earth. And if you are watching, go for it. Go for it, go for it, go for it. So don't let it fear. Just go. And let me know if you do. Okay, so now let's see how far everything is at. Okay, you have a Walmart Supercenter that's 9 minutes away. You have a Target that's going to be 7 minutes away. You have a Costco that's going to be 6 minutes away. That also has the petrol station as well, just in case. Okay, you have a Sam's Club that's going to be 13 minutes away. Also, you guys, just a reminder, this is at 11:40 in the morning, so times do change obviously throughout the day. I'm pretty sure once it starts to get like peak hour, these times obviously do change, but it just gives you an idea of how far, you know, it is. You have an Albertson that's 6 minutes away or 11 minutes away, so your best bet is the first one. Okay, you have a Trader Joe that's going to be 13 minutes away. Smith's is going to be 11 minutes away or 11 minutes away or 10 minutes away. So you do have 3 Smiths, but they're not super close. They're just going to be a little bit of a drive, unfortunately. Okay, you have 3 Sprouts actually pretty close by. This one is going to be 9 minutes away, or 11 minutes away, or 12 minutes away. So your best bet is the first one. Winco is going to be 11 minutes away. And this one, you guys, I love shopping at Winco when I get the chance to go. I do find a few things that are cheaper than all the other grocery stores, even Costco and Sam's Club. So yeah, this one is kind of like a discount grocery store, but they have so much. It's massive. Okay, you have a Whole Foods that's going to be 15 minutes away or 20 minutes away. So the 15-minute one is your best bet. Unfortunately, there is no Whole Foods close by to these apartments, nor the area, unfortunately. You have a Petco that's going to be 8 minutes away, or a PetSmart that's 9 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 27 minutes away. The Strip is going to be about 23 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 17 minutes away. The airport is going to be around 15 minutes away. Okay guys, so you have a hospital that's going to be 4 minutes away, and then you do have a few urgent cares. You do have a UMC, and that's going to be 9 minutes away, or this one is a children's urgent care, and this one is going to be around 10 minutes away. Okay guys, so you do have a few bus stops. One is going to be around 4 minutes away or 11 minutes away. Now this is just in walking, so it's going to take around either 4 minutes or 11 minutes, but you do have a few. You do have one up here. So that's going to be roughly around 11 minutes away, the other one that's a little further up. Okay, you also do have a few casinos, little pubs close by. You do have the Sunset Station that's going to be 9 minutes away, or you do have the Skyline Hotel Casino that's going to be 6 minutes away. So you do have a few casinos close by. Okay guys, so that was Parq on Boulder. I honestly think these apartments are super nice inside, and honestly the location, I feel like it's still coming up. I see a lot of construction happening, so it's still a very quiet place, but you're on Boulder, so it is a big road, as you will see when we get out. But yeah, overall the area is super nice. I don't see any homelessness. I know the apartment that I did across the street, Verona, that I remember now because I saw it, but yeah, it looks like they've cleaned up the place and it looks super nice. So this is just first hand, you know, seeing it. Obviously I don't live in these apartments, but from what I see firsthand, it is very clean. The landscaping is clean. Yeah, and it looks super nice. So if you want to add these to your list, definitely do so. This is in the Henderson side, so it is a little further away from like the Strip and stuff, but yeah, it's a really nice area. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Obviously I don't live close by, so I can't really give you like an insight, but from, like I said, from what I see, it's not bad. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and then turn on that post notification bell. That way as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, and don't forget, I have a vlog. I just put a vlog. I don't know if it's these like juicing drinks that I've been taking, but I don't know, I feel really happy. So don't forget to check out my vlog, but I'll see you in my next video.